Hello friends, today I am going to dictate the dictation at the speed of 90 words per minute from Punjab Law Reporter book. Total words are 600. Start. Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act, 2005. Complainant has alleged the husband was in relationship with respondent. Stop. They are not related by consanguinity or marriage. The trial court, without even going through the allegations, has entertained the complaint. Stop. Since there is no domestic relationship between the complainant and the petitioner. Stop. Therefore, the complaint qua her is not maintainable. Stop. Punjab Civil Services Rules bracket punishment and appeal rules 1970. Appellant had issued a show cause notice on the allegations that respondent had embezzled money of Punjab Roadways, for which he was required to submit his explanation. He failed to submit his explanation. Consequently, appellants proceeded to pass order of penalty, non-speaking order, without exhausting remedy of departmental appeal. He filed civil suit. Department remedies were statutory force order of civil court set aside. Stanza. Punjab Land Revenue Act, 1881, 17 of 1881, section 117, partition of agricultural land, question of title was involved, as the plaintiffs were claiming the property on the basis of a registered sale deed which was has never been set at not NAGUGST. Such being the position, and the civil suit was pending, the revenue authorities ought to have stayed their hand from proceeding further in the partition proceedings. However, for the reasons best known, proceedings continued. Any order passed by the revenue authorities, during the pendency of the suit in a partition proceeding is ultimately subject to the decision of the civil court. Stop. Stanza. Punjab Security of Land Tenures Act 1953 bracket 10 of 1953, section 14A. Revenue courts refused to order the ejectment on the ground that entry in the revenue record does not show the Waqf board is the owner of the property estate fortune. Court finds that the findings arrived at by the revenue courts would not operate as res judicata. Further, the revenue courts were deciding the ejectment petitions under section 14 of the 1953 Act, which is a summary proceeding. The ejectment petition is not tried as a regular suit. Such finding of the revenue courts cannot be binding on the civil suit. Waqf Act 1995, 29 of 1995, section 107, Civil Procedure Code 1908, 5 of 1908, section 11, 464. Stanza. Punjab Village Common Lands Regulation Act 1961 bracket 18 of 1961 bracket section 13. During the pendency of the suit, the municipal committee was dissolved and the property vested in the Gram Panchayat. It was contended that since during the pendency of the suit, the land had vested with Gram Panchayat, therefore, the civil court did not have jurisdiction to adjudicate the claim of possession. In view of the fact, legal plea could always be taken, particularly being a subsequent event. Appellate court held that the jurisdiction of the civil court is barred. Jurisdiction of civil court has been held to be maintainable. Matter concerned oblique remanded to appellate court. Stop stanza. Railways Act, 1989, 24 of 1989, section 13, subclause C, subclause 2, 124, subclause A dash, investigating officer recorded the statement of the victim. In the said statement, which can be taken as dying declaration, the victim had given detailed account as to how and in what manner declaration while traveling in Janta Express 19023, he had sustained injuries due to sudden jerk and had fallen down beneath the rail. Liability of the railways under section 123 subclause C, section 124 subclause A of the Railways Act, 1989 is a strict liability once the deceased with a valid train oblique ticket is found on the railway track and which is not near the place of residence or the place of work. Onus of proof shifts upon the railway to show that deceased was not a bona fide passenger traveling on the train. Stop. Res judicata. Contention that court has not considered the stop.